you don't subscribe, support me by subscribing to my channel and liking the video. So today we'll be talking about the body sections in biology. So let's move on. We have the longitudinal section, the transverse section, and the vertical section, which are three. Meaning there are three body types of body sections, which is the longitudinal, the transverse, and the vertical. Okay, let's move forward. So longitudinal section. Longitudinal section, a chord that is parallel to the longest dimension of the organ or specimen. Oblique section, a chord that is at an angle between the longitudinal and transverse planes. So cross or transverse section, a chord, sorry, a chord that is perpendicular the main plane of the organ or specimen. So here, longitudinal section is talking about this direct vertically this way. But remember that longitudinal section divides the body into two equal halves. It divides the body into two equal halves. Okay, it's like a symmetry. A symmetry is a plane that divides a body into two equal parts. So the longitudinal section is like a symmetry. Let's move on. We have the diagram of the longitudinal section here. This one here, the red colored part is the longitudinal section. Okay, so the transverse section, the transverse or cross section, a chord that is perpendicular to the main plane of the organ or specimen. Tangential section, a section that only graces the surface of a spherical structure. The transverse section is like cutting this way, cutting the body this way. The transverse section is like cutting the body this way. So if you cut the body this way, the surface it will be of a spherical structure. That's why you see there section that only graces the surface of a spherical structure. So let's move on to see a diagram of it. This is like a diagram. It is cut this way. For example, like if you cut an orange, how you will see it. If you cut it transversely, how you see it. That is this. It is the same like that. So the vertical section, which is the third one, vertical section is horizontal distance. Horizontal distance of wellbore that moves in direction of the target for each station or in total. For instance, in the figure below, vertical section in the distance from survey to survey point, it measures to same vertical direction. Let me show you that figure. So this is the diagram and the vertical section. So the vertical section and the longitudinal section are different, and it's not something that is confusing. No, the longitudinal section is in the middle. It divides the body into two parts, into two equal halves, while the vertical is on, like for example, the side like this. If you cut the body vertically at the sides, but not in the middle. Anytime it reaches the middle, know that that one is longitudinal. Those are the differences between longitudinal and vertical. They are not even confusing. Vertical is this way, but like sideways. It, if it cuts it, the parts are not equal. Like this diagram you are seeing it from a side, from a lateral side. Good. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. So thanks.